Hey kids, welcome back to another AJ video, and today the news has updated. Whoa my god, this looks so cute. So you remember that old thingy about the little thing, desert thingy-mabob? I can't find it. Where is it? Why can I not find it? Okay, well, whatever. But the new animal thingamabob is going to be a Fennec Fox. This thing looks so cute. Oh my god. Look at its giant ears. I can't wait to see what it will actually look like. So let's read this. Liza's mysterious photo of some sand dunes turned out to be hiding a surprise. The ears of a Fennec Fox. This can only mean one thing. Fennec Foxes are on their way to Jamaa. Yes, these are so adorable. Okay. Their immense ears picked up on all the jammers asking for them to join the fun in Jamaa, and now they're coming soon. I want them now. Can I not have them now? Alright, so let's see the next news. That is so cute. Wait, what's this? Oh, Masterpiece. Of course, everyone knows Masterpiece, but that is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Yay, the Summer Carnival is coming back. Oh my god. Yes! I love Summer Carnival. I can buy more things there. Yay. Origami den items and wind armor. That stuff has already existed. Woohoo. Alrighty. That's pretty exciting. So, remember from last time we were guessing the new animal. It's gonna be a Fennec Fox. And it's probably gonna be in the diamond shop because I am going to spend all my diamonds because I have that many. Yeah. Alright, look at this fantastic wind armor. Wow, it's so fancy. Wow. Alright. Let's go see the org. Oh, wow. I forgot. I made this giant mossy den because I wanted to. Because making mossy dens is fun. Wait. Everyone, stop. Stop what you're doing. But keep watching this video. This is the best item I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. Hold on everybody, just don't click off of this vid, just hold on, stay right there. Let me just go here to the bouncy bounce house. And let me just put in this, oh my god. This item is so beautiful. There we go, oh my god. This item is beautiful, it's gorgeous, and I love it. It's my new favorite item. Actually, I think my favorite den item are these ducks. This is so beautiful. So what else was in the update? Ooh, this looks cool. Oh my, that is quite beautiful. Oh wow. Alright, origami den items will soon come. Summer Carnival is coming. There's some random banners around here. Summer Carnival coming soon. I want to just click it. So nothing really new happened. Other than the Fennec Foxes are gonna come soon. Oh, and then the rest of the update is just kind of boring. Yeah, but oh my god. This is going to look so great. Let's go. I'm going to go search up some images of the Fennec Fox. So I will be right back. Alright, here we go. I'm back, and oh my god, yes! Now I'm really happy that this. Wait for it. This is gonna come to Animal Ham. Animal Ham is getting the cutest animal in the game. Oh my god. This thing looks so cute. Oh my god. Look at its face. Look how big the ears are. Oh my god. Oh, this is Oh, this is so cute. I love them. Oh, yes. Yes. This might be my new favorite animal that's going to come to Animal Jam. I'm so excited to see what they look like on Animal Jam. What happens if we search up Animal Jam? Fennec Fox Animal Jam. Whoa. Oh, there's the Fennec Fox pet that is... I'm pretty sure that this thing is unreleased. It's not supposed to be in the game, but apparently I think it is. But I don't know. Ooh, the Fennec Fox. Oh man, this is super exciting. What the heck? Oh yes, no need for the edits. We have the real deal now. It is now in stores and it's beautiful. Let's go back to the game. Alrighty, let me just fix my camera 1 second. Alright, there we go. And alrighty guys, what do you think of the new Fennec Foxes? What do you think they're going to really look like? Because this is just the little picture. Because you remember with the red pandas, was their cute little picture. And then their animal was really cool. What do you think? How big do you think the ears will look on the new Fennec Fox? I'm really excited. I want it and I need it. I need their new animal. I need it right now. Also, look, this is the skunk picture, and this is what the skunk really looked like. Hold on, if I can find, there it is. And I love this skunk. It is absolutely great. I think Animal Jam's newest animals look really amazing. I really like their new animals. So, the Fennec Fox, wow, it is so adorable. And I guess I'll see you guys on that update. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.